Hello. So in this video we are gonna go through how to prepare the recorder so then you can test the app on your phone, and further along you will be able to schedule the recorder using your phone and then deploy the recorder. So this is one of the recorders that you have received. You have received two recorders. Each one of them will have a number. This is number 1, and then the other one will be number 2. This is important to remember because you have two sites where to deploy the recorders, the monitoring site and the control site. So it's important that you take note on the survey form, which also you will find inside your survey pack, of which recorder, number 1 or number 2, was deployed in what site, so control or monitoring. So you will need a large crosshead screwdriver. You will need to try the right size in order to open the box, the protective box. So you just need to pull out all to screw out all the screws. Now it's already screwed. And then inside you will find the microphone, which is this tube here. The sensor of the microphone is out here, and this is the protective roof that will protect the microphone from the rain and the sun. The microphone, you will see that also has got a number 1 or number 2, and that's important that it stays in the same box with the same equipment at all time. You also have a strap that you will use to secure the recorder to the branch of the tree. You also have a adapter, an SD card adapter, that you will be using later on to upload the data. You also have a battery holder, which is where the batteries will go inside. It's currently empty, so you will need to source to the batteries. Please do use only Duracell Plus batteries, because we know they last longer, and take a note of for how long you've been using them. You will find everything on the form on how to do it, the survey form, so you know like for how many surveys you can still use the batteries for. So we go ahead. In order to open this, you will need a small head screwdriver, and you just need to unscrew all 4 of them. And once it's done, you just remove the top and you insert the batteries. So now basically you can use this button, which is basically what you're gonna see up here. Later on when you will put the lid on top of it, to switch on and off. And to see if it's switched on and off, you can press it and you will see the LED down there that is shining down there. Okay. So it's normally green. It might change color if the power of the batteries go lower a little bit. That doesn't necessarily mean that the batteries are not usable anymore. That's why we keep record of for how long we've been using the batteries for. So now you can go ahead and switch it off. For the first survey, you have the microphone that is already set up. You will have inside the micro SD card that is already ready to record, so you don't need to do anything to the microphone. After the first survey, you can follow the instructions in the video on how to store and share the data in order to reset the SD card and the microphone for the following survey. So now we're ready to test the app on the Dodotronics app on your phone, so you can then schedule the recorder with the app.